Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up disability insurance statements with MetLife, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your MetLife account using your credentials. If you do not have an account, create one by following the registration prompts on their website. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where your policy information is displayed. Look for the section labeled Disability Insurance Statements or similar wording. Click on that section to access your disability insurance documents. You will see a list of available statements, typically organized by date. Select the specific statement you wish to back up by clicking on it. This may open the document in a new window or prompt to download. If the document opens in a new window, look for an option to download or save it to your device. Choose a location on your computer or device where you want to store the backup. If the document does not automatically download, right-click on it and select Save as to download it manually. Repeat this process for any additional statements you wish to back up. Once all documents are downloaded, verify that they are saved in your chosen location. Ensure that your backup folder is organized and clearly labeled for easy access in the future. Consider creating additional copies on an external drive or cloud storage for added security. Regularly repeat this process to maintain up-to-date backups of your disability insurance statements. By following these steps, you can easily back up your important documents with MetLife. This will help ensure that you have quick access to your records whenever needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.